Okay, so here we are, the back of the machine. The board is in. We're now going to try it. Get ready. Question is this the one that stopped me in my tracks, or did I do it? Let's find out. There we go. What a challenging one this was. Let's try it.
Lock on target.
So where's your board, James Hardy? All working? What a real test this one was, eh? But I've managed to do it, which I kinda can't believe. Just like this is just like the very first video I did when I first did my first one. I really didn't think I'd be able to do this one. I know I say that every time, but
Lock on target. Welcome back online, sir.
welcome back on Lights indeed.
These are the voyages. Activated.
We'll just play this till I lose and then I'll end the video, I think. Okay, so there we go, James and everybody else. Another one to me, nil to maygay. Thanks for watching.